Hello, yes, I'm back again. So today we are going to be doing something beautiful, and I want to thank you guys for practicing the intervals. We are going to be doing something today called chord identification, and identifying the sounds that you're going to be hearing. So this is very important to learn it in your beginning stages, because as we go on you're going to be using it a lot. So we are going to start off by identifying the sound of a major. The major sounds happy, so it's just plain and happy and full, just like this. So I'm playing a C major chord. So this is how a C major chord sounds. I repeat that again. So you listen to them and you're able to identify them. So we will do the exercise at the end of this class. Let's go to the next one, playing the C minor. Alright, so learning, that is the C minor. Learning the C minor again. Okay, so learning these chords and how they sound is very important for playing the harmony. So when we get out there and we start, you hear just the chord and you know this is a minor, this is a major. And a C diminished, just a diminished C chord. So it sounds like la. It's finishing. Okay, so what about C7? C6, Sus4, Sus2, okay, augmented plus. This is an augmented plus. So instead of playing the G, you play the G sharp. Augmented minus. Alright. C dominant 7. Okay, so now we are going to go through them. So be able to identify them, that this is this and this is that. So let's go and let's start. Alright, I don't know how many you got right, but I hope you got all of them right. So remember, we are still going on. So that has been chord identification, learning about chord identification. And stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to invite your friends, share with them the content, and let me see you in the next one. I love you so much. Have a beautiful time practicing, and see you in the next one.